Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Google reCAPTCHA to your WordPress forms. It can be either comment form, login form, registration form, forget password form, or any other WordPress forms like WooCommerce, easy digital downloads, and WordPress form. So let's start with plugin installation. Go to plugins, click on add new. In the search field, type advanced Google reCAPTCHA. You will see the plugin here, advanced Google reCAPTCHA by WooCommerce. Make sure you install the right plugin. Click on install now and activate the plugin. After you activate the plugin, you can go to settings page directly from here. In the setting page, you will find the option to add reCAPTCHA, site keys, and the form where you want to enable the Google reCAPTCHA plugin. Let us start with the domain registration on Google reCAPTCHA console first. Simply click here to go to the Google reCAPTCHA console page. If you are not logged in to the Google account, you will be redirected to the login page, and if you are already logged in, you can see the dashboard here. You can add new site from here. You can name the site. For now I will say it AG demo. You can choose either Google reCAPTCHA v3 or v2. I'm going to select Google reCAPTCHA v2 for now, and I'm going to use I'm not a robot checkbox in this demo. The most important thing here is to have an exact domain, so make sure you will enter a correct domain name here. I'm going to use WP Yatra for demo purpose. You need to accept the reCAPTCHA terms of services. If you want to send alert to the owners, if you have multiple owners, it is better to send the alert to the owners as well. If not, you can disable it and submit the form to get a site key and secret keys. So our Google reCAPTCHA site key and secret keys are ready. You can copy it here. Now go back to the setting page and paste it here. I have selected Google reCAPTCHA v2 in my console, so make sure you select v2 here as well. I want to enable this reCAPTCHA on login page, registration page, last password page, and comment form, so I leave them as it is and save the changes. Now let us go to the site to see the comment form. In this demo we have comment form here. We can see Google reCAPTCHA is added on our comment form. Let me go to a login page and see how reCAPTCHA looks on a login page. Here we have our login page. This is the reCAPTCHA that we have recently added. You can check lost password form as well. Yeah, that works. So guys, let me go to back end of my site and show you what are other options available in the plugin. If you enable this option, it will automatically work for WooCommerce and easy digital downloads login as well. You can enable it for WooCommerce registration, easy digital downloads registration, and WordPress registration form as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you will be able to add Google reCAPTCHA to your WordPress form and make your website more secure. If you have any feedback or suggestion, feel free to comment below and subscribe this channel to get more updates in the future. Have a great day.